Kulish wani fibro kane gade gajing betip napo ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission dengan puli kane notice ba minta kasngi new 3 April aljarfar. This is for the information of all candidates in particular in publics in general that in view of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya order in WPC number 394 of 2021 dated 5/04/2024 all interview and recruitment stand suspend with immediate effect until further orders. Kamut ba baro ki interview ki kum thep kam jong government menta hab sange lot te hadu dela ai di pat ki pentip te gin sas dang biang mun manta baro kini kiban dang don ki interview ki masadon la sange lot ki exam ki baro ki bang don mod hab sange lot baro te hab hadu banda la ai katri ka thamai magin sas dang biang ten la pen mi in sa hadu mala yo e kanotes ke ban sasha e tang kini ki pentip kublesibun.